Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope you all fine. So guys, in this collection you see the top trending and most demandable and most creative witch design, tree designs and garland ideas. If you like to my channel Easy Craft Videos, then watch to my channel on daily basis. This collection is all about the Merry Christmas Festival 2022. Don't stop my videos, watch videos on daily basis. Thank you so much guys to watch the video till the end. Keep loving, keep supporting. Easy Craft Videos is one of the best channel on YouTube that provide you the most beautiful garland with the witch designs. Take care and bye bye.